features such as dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, and lane departure alert with steering assist on the awesome 2020 Toyota Corolla. Alright, so to show you your dynamic radar cruise control, this is to turn the radar on, this little button right here. This is to turn it on and off. Down is to set. Once you're at the speed that you want, up is to go up in speed, and then down is to go down in speed, while the cancel button is to cancel your dynamic radar cruise control. So if you go over on your multi-information display to the settings right here, you will see that you could change the distances of 3, 2, 1 preset distances. So the distances are right here. So you could set it to 3, 2, or 1. Okay. Alright. And then this is for your lane departure alert with steering assist right here. So when you have this on and you do not have your dynamic radar cruise control turned on, it works as your lane departure alert with steering assist. So there's a camera sensor and the radar sensor. They will actually alert you if you're going outside the lanes at a speeds above 32 miles an hour. And then an advanced version would be your lane tracing assist. So when you have your dynamic radar cruise control on and you turn this button on, lane tracing assist is now on. So with lane tracing assist, if you're on a highway or if you're on a long stretch of road that goes pretty straight, the camera sensor and the radar sensor will look out for the lanes when you have your dynamic radar cruise control on and you have your lane tracing assist on, and it will actively keep you in the middle of your lanes. Okay, and then this is also a great feature. We have road sign assist on TSS 2.0. So with road sign assist, it'll actually show stop signs, yield signs, and speed limit signs to alert you of what your speed limit is and if there's a stop sign ahead. So that's a great feature to have if you're on long stretches of road and you don't really know what the speed limit is or you don't remember. It's a great feature to have. Alright, so I'm turning on the lane departure alert with steering assist and the lane tracing assist and dynamic radar cruise control. So as you see right here, it's looking out for the lanes, going up in speed. And then as you can clearly see, speed limit sign says that speed, and it's using its lane tracing assist. All you have to do is keep your hands on the steering wheel and stay attentive. So as long as you're watching the road and you have your hands on the steering wheel, which it will feel by the movements that it's making, it will feel that. When you use return signals, that's when the lane tracing assist turns on and the lane departure alert with steering assist turns off, because it knows that you're actively going outside the lanes. And then this is a great thing. This is full speed dynamic radar cruise control. So this will go all the way to a stop if there's a car already in front of you. It's a great thing to have. Okay, so another feature that is on the all-new 2020 Toyota Corolla is brake hold. So this is your electronic parking brake, and then this is your brake hold. So once you're in drive and you have your seatbelt on, you turn on brake hold. It will show hold and then brake hold right there. So you could actively take your foot off the brake, so you're not going to be as fatigued on long drives if you're in stop and go traffic or if you're at a drive-through.